Hey guys, let me show you something really cool. So here in our showroom in Belgium, we designed a little museum to show you the evolution of our toolless connector. We started in 1993, we moved on to 2005. In 2007 the toolless connector looked completely different. Then going on to 2012. So the difference between 2012 and 2015 is that in 2012 we had an iron cap, in 2015 we had a hard plastic. Now, in 2023, we have a very special first generation fast clamp. The biggest advantage of our new fast clamp is that you only need one hand to make the connection. And the second one is that it's twice as fast as compared to the old one.